We also have wonderful washable pads that can be used with the diapers. Now we sell these in 4 different sizes, and each of these pads are terrific because there's 3 layers. So you have 3 layers of protection, 2 microfiber layers, which I just talked about with the diapers, and 1 micro fleece layer. And that's the part that you would put towards your dog. So you get a bundle of 10, and you can use as little or as many as you want if you need that extra protection. The other cool thing about the diapers is how adjustable they are. So I mentioned we looked to the Baby World for ideas, and that's what we brought over to these. So you have a couple things. You have obviously the Velcro, and not only can you use a regular Velcro, but because of this strip on top of the flap, you can actually go even tighter. So you can go further and further if needed. The other thing that you'll see on these, which is great, are these little snaps. So if you needed to go even tighter, even more sort of cinched up, then you can use these little snaps to help with the fit. And you'll see what I mean in a minute when I show you it on Winnie. Now that's the female diapers. I also mentioned we have male diapers. So what's the difference? This is where some of the biggest improvements have been done, is on the male diapers. Because obviously their anatomy is different. They can't just use a typical diaper. They need some extra protection. So each of these, they come in black or hunter green, have an extended waistline, so they're much longer than the female diapers, and they're also much wider, so they have a wider base. And again, they have a different anatomy, so we need a different design for them. Same great fabrics, same absorbency, same great adjustability, just for the boys. And of course wraps, belly bands as most people call them. If the dog is just having some bladder issues, we suggest a wrap. It is the most comfortable. This fabric is so soft, and a wrap covers less than a full diaper would, so the dogs are a lot more accepting of it. I usually recommend the full diaper if there's more than just bladder. So if there's some bowel problems, a full diaper may be the way to go for you. If it's just bladder, then the wraps are great. So they have this elastic underneath, so it keeps it nice and snug against the dog. They've got that wonderful microfiber layer that I talked about that's absorbent. And then they have this great adjustability with the Velcro. So a nice, strong Velcro that allows you some flexibility in how far you overlap it. And on a few of the sizes, you even have an extra Velcro strip that gives you even more adjustability. So what you would do with this extra strip is you would fold it over like that, and then use the big strap. So it gives you extra beyond just the obvious way of securing the wrap. So again, hunter green and black for the boys. I also wanted to introduce our wet dog diaper bag, which are brand new, and these are terrific for storing those dirty diapers while you're waiting to do a wash. So same great fabric.